Hi, I'm Dave from Arbourdale, and we've had a request for a video on how you put together a BioBoost, so we're going to do this fairly quick and dirty in our parking lot, not beside the pond. What you're going to get when you open the BioBoost is a bunch of little boxes. These are the contents, so we'll start with the feet. These are the feet, they're weighted, they're what keep the BioBoost upright, they're what keep it out of the sludge layer and make it descend properly. So there's really no set place to put them in, but obviously closer out to the edges and the corners is the way we want to go. And that bar is the same at both ends. You just take it, pick a spot in the matrix and slide it in. And you slide it until it meets resistance, then you stop and go directly opposite on the other side, as close to the outside as you can. Slide it in until it meets resistance and stop. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Again, nice and close to the outside, sliding it in, meet resistance and stop. I don't like putting it on the exact outside edge. Actually, yeah, I can. It's my preference to put it inside one, but just to balance, do that. Meets resistance and stops. So that's BioBoost, that's putting the legs in. Now we're going to take the other components off, flip it over, and that's how your BioBoost is going to look when it reaches the bottom of the pond. Here are the other parts. Turn it around, Jesse says. Turn it around. There, I've turned it around. Oh, I get it, because the holes.
That's right.
I get it. So, you had a bunch of pipes and parts and fittings. That's what you want to create, is a T with the two threaded 90s on either end. And you'll see why, because these are the air inputs. You just screw them, they're already threaded with pipe tape. So you just want to thread them on until they're hand tight. You don't want to split the plastic. Same to the other end. So simple, even a general manager could do it. So, twisting until it's hand tight. And that's what you end up with. Two air inputs with one T in the middle. My preference is right side up. Jesse's preference is that way around. So we'll do it Jesse's way. And then that simply slides in until it's covered. This one as well. Until the plastic ring is inside of that matrix, because the air is actually coming out through that rubber membrane that you saw inside. So we want that good and inside. So there's your BioBoost all set up. Your 3/8 inch weighted line goes there. And then the buoy system, there was a tether with a float. We tie that. Our preference is to go down to the legs, go around and tie it all the way around so that we can lower it down. You can do it any way you like. I've seen people throw these things overboard without a buoy or without a marker of any sort. We prefer the marker. You're best off not to try and thread the cord through the middle of the BioBoost though.